Image setup is designed to have minimal input from the member, but it does require 3 parameters: an image title, at least one tagging word, and to ensure that the image does not have any active flags. When these 3 parameters are completed, the image is considered set up correctly. If one of these parameters is removed or was never entered in the first place, the image will be red and it will have an accompanying status warning. Completing the required data makes the image set up correctly again. The image status can be clearly seen in album view and also in list view. It's important to note that if an image is not set up correctly, it will not be displayed on the front end for viewers. It's important to note that any changes made on the image setup page need to be saved before exiting. And further information on image setup entries can be found under their specific titles in the YouTube tutorial section.